Hey guys, today I'll show you how to restore missing apps on the home screen on your Android device. So let's get started. So firstly, make sure that the app is installed. Check it in the app drawer. Go in the app drawer and enter in the search the app you want to add on the home screen. So it is installed but isn't on the home screen. And to add it on the home screen, follow these steps. So firstly, open Settings, and then in the search bar, type in Hide Apps. And in this list, you should find the hidden app that isn't on your home screen. Just deselect it and then tap Done. And then it should appear on your home screen somewhere. And to add it on the home screen, just open the app drawer and in the search, enter the app's name. Just tap and hold it and then add to home. And this will add it to the home screen. So now you know how to restore missing apps on the home screen. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.